Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I divide my Achillea yarrow plants. Now if you saw my last video, you'll know that Achillea is one of my favourite perennials for cut flower use, and I have a great big clump here in the garden that I want to dig up and split into several different plants. Now this is called division, and there are lots of different perennials that you can multiply your stock with through this method. So I'm going to show you how I do that with my Achillea today. Hello, my name's Ellie and I'm an urban cut flower grower here in Gardening Zone 9B in Taupo, New Zealand. I grow and sell my own cut flowers on a small scale. I sell plants and I also love growing veggies as well. So if that sounds like content you'd like, I'd really appreciate it if you followed along. Now, the best time to divide your Achillea is either in the fall when your plant is heading into its period of dormancy, or in the spring when it's starting to wake back up again. Now we are very early spring here, so this is probably a little bit early for me to be moving it, and I'll explain why. So when I dig this plant up to remove it and split it, I am disturbing its root system. Now if I wanted to then go and plunk it in another place of the garden and it gets hit with a -5 frost straight away, it's not going to enjoy it, even though it is a cold hardy plant. So today, because I'm doing it a little bit early and we still are getting very hard frosts here in Taupo, I am going to pot up my divisions and just pop them in the greenhouse for now, and I will plant them back out when the danger of those really hard frosts has passed, just to give the plant a best chance in life again. Okay, so I'm just at my patch here. Now if I didn't want to remove this whole clump, I could just cut straight down the middle of it, and the rest of the plant that's left in ground is still going to be okay. Because I want to remove the whole clump, I'm going to dig up the whole thing and show you how I do that. Just bringing you into some better lighting here. But this is my big clump of Achillea with some weeds thrown in there too. Now it is very heavy, so I am just going to take this into some better lighting and I'll show you how I split it further. Okay, so you can see here now that I've got my clump, and it's actually got a few kind of natural ways that I can split this that I'm seeing. So there's kind of a natural break along here where I've kind of got a line where I'm not going to disturb much of the top growth when I split it. And then here as well, around this corner, some old plant label from when I put this in originally. So I'm going to probably get 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some baby shoots off of this one clump. And I'm just going to divide it by shoveling down. I do really love using a hori knife for this job. I will put a picture up of what that looks like. I just obviously can't find mine right now, so we are going to go with the trowel. So that's a nice clump that we've got there. You can see the roots of the plants, and even there, if I wiggle that one out, I can pop that up, and that's going to be its own little plant. Obviously not as big as this one here, but it's just a runner from the main plant there. So I'm just going to pop these up now, pop them in the greenhouse, and then when the weather warms up, I will find them a new home. Okay, so I've just brought my plants in now and I've potted them up in some nice free draining potting mix. I'm going to water these in really well, and I'm going to put a dash of seaweed tonic in there as well, which looks like this. Seaweed can just help reduce that transplant shock. So because this plant's undergone some pretty major surgery, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a special treatment with a dash of seaweed in my watering can. I'm going to leave that inside the greenhouse just until a little bit later in spring when things have warmed up. But if you don't have a greenhouse, just wait a little bit later in the season to do your division, and then you know your plants are kind of going to get nice weather to establish again instead of being thrown into some really harsh cold still like we have at the moment here in New Zealand. Now, I love dividing Achillea because when you buy the seed packet, it's often just kind of a mixed bag. So you get your summer berries, which is one of my favorite, or the pastels. But within that, you've got a lot of variation in color. This plant I grew from, I think it was the summer berries, and it was a beautiful blush pink. Now I know when I've divided this now that I'm going to get that blush pink again. It's going to be true to the parent plant. So if you kind of sow 50 seeds from the mix and there's some that you really like, it's a good way of multiplying the stock of that specific color. And likewise, if there's a few that come up and you're not so keen on the color, just don't divide that plant or get rid of that one. I hope you found this video useful. I also have videos on how to take feverfew cuttings, chrysanthemum cuttings. I love making plants for free, and I'll share lots more in the future as well. I will see you next time.